Hey, it's Darren here from Automotive Group. Got this lovely customer's vehicle in with a misfire. We're carrying out some diagnostics and we found an issue with his valves. We have our new endoscope. You can see the burnt valve, or something's hit the valve there. But our little tool with the moving tip is allowing us to probe and flip back up for us to see that valve. So to confirm with the customer, I'm taking this video for him so we can see that the valve is actually defective and it's going to need an engine tear down. There we go. Anybody needs any issues, any repairs, any diagnostics, please give us a shout.